Hello, folks. Welcome to Ethical Empire. Hope you are doing well. Uh, Today's video is about the walkthrough of Advent of Cyber 2023, day 3. So, Advent of Cyber is an event by TryHackMe. It consists of basic tasks as it is the beginner friendly security challenges every day leading up to Christmas that it go from 1 of the December to 25th December. So day one and day two are already out. So hope you all already did. Those who didn't did or didn't understood, they can check out the walkthrough. It is already posted uh, on our website. You can check out here walkthrough of Advent of Cyber 2023 day 1 and walkthrough of Advent of Cyber 2023 day 2. Okay, so you can check out here and you can go through it. So in today video, I'm going to talk about day 3, that is Hydra. Here it is. So in this we are going to need a machine. So first of all, I'm going to start the machine. So this is the story. Like everyone was shocked to discover that several critical systems were logged, but the chaos didn't end there. So you can go through it. After that, objectives that after completing this task, you will know about the password complexity and the number of possible combinations. Just a second. I have to start the tag box. Okay, here it is starting. And password complexity and the number of possible combinations, then the number of possible combination affect the feasibility of brute force attacks, and uh, two important tools. One is Crunch and another one is Hydra. Crunch used for generating password combinations, and Hydra is to brute force the passwords automatically. Then next part is feasibility of brute force, like how many different pin codes do we have, and how many different passwords can we generate, and how long does it take to find the password by brute force. And then we have counting the pin codes. So this is just a overview of task which we gonna perform. So you can go through it. Like many systems rely on PIN codes or passwords to authenticate users. Authenticate means providing a user's identity. And then let's consider a scenario where we need to select a pin of 4 digits. So how many 4-digit pin codes are there? So there would be 10,000 different pin codes like 000, then 0001, then 0002, like that up till 999. So if we talk about mathematically, then it would be 10 cross 10 cross 10 cross 10, or simply 10 to the power 4 different pin codes that can be made up of 4 digits. And if we count the password, uh, if it has digit, then it would be up to 0 to 9, and uppercase and lowercase, if we count both, then uh, uppercase A to Z has 26 letter, and lowercase A to Z has 26 letter. If we count all that, so it would be 62 different choices. Uh, at the same time, if the password is 4 characters, we can make 60 to the power 4, that is 14,776,336 different passwords. So if we want to make passwords even more complex, we can use symbols, adding more than 30 characters to our set of choices. And if we talk about how long does it takes to brute force the password, so 14 million is a huge number, but we can use a computer system to try out all the possible password communication, that is brute force the password. So you can also you can take the overview of it, and now let's move on to our task. So here we have to we have to start the attack box today, and we have to start a VM also. So the rest of the things we not required, like split screen and direct link or given credentials of RDP, VNC, or SSH. So as a, I already started my attack box and machine, so I can save the time. So let's check our IP. So it is our IP. So first of all, we have to move in our browser and post that IP. So you can read here like this is the link which you have to visit, http 10.10.145.85, then the port number 8000, which is uh, first part is IP, the another part is after the colon is a port number. Here you can write it, http double forward slash 10.10.145.85, then colon 8000, then forward slash, hit enter. Here we can see it is expecting pin code from us. Let's try to type some random passwords or digits. So after 3 digits, it's not accepting, means uh, the expecting password or a pin must be of 3 digits. So it gives us a like a number up to 9, and after that only five uh, characters of uppercase. So it would be easy to create a word list. So here our one tool, that is Crunch, will come into play. So let's go to our terminal. Here also they gave a complete command. Okay, here it is. Here our terminal. Let's directly jump into the command, that is Crunch. Then three, that is the minimum length of the generated password. Then after again three, that is the maximum length of generated password. Then we have to provide the all the characters like digits and alphabet which was presented in the pin, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, and after that the upper case of alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F. Then we have to output the result. For that, we use the dash hyphen O to save the output, and we have to give the file name. Here I am giving ethicalumpire.txt. Okay, so we are all done. Let's hit enter. So it is generating the following number of lines, that is 4096. Like, so according to it, the 496 attempt could be possible. So here we have to check the page source. For that we have to go back to our Firefox. Okay, so here we will check for page source. So here we can see the so here we can see the form method is equal to post, and action is equal to login.php, and the name is equal to pin. So it means that it receives the input from the user and sends it to login PHP. So which passwords we are going to try, it receives and it sends to the login.php. So this information is quite complete, using which we can proceed. So let's move back to Hydra, which we are going to use in our terminal. Hydra is a brute forcing tool. I have a dedicated video on my YouTube channel. I will pin the link in the description. You can check out. So here, just check the file name we have saved. It is present or not. So here it is ethicalumpire.txt. You can also uh, view it using the command cat ethicalumpire.txt. Okay, so it is the a complete list, so it is so huge. Okay, let's clear it up. Then we have to use Hydra. After that, small L. So small L because we don't know the username, or we didn't require the username for, as we didn't require the username for that, we can use these symbols. After that, we have to give the word list which we created using crunch command, that is ethicalumpad.txt. After that, we have to specify the hyphen F options, which stops automatically when the working password has been founded. And then after that, we will enable verbose mode. Verbose mode, it shows the attempt to brute force. Uh, it shows the combinations of username and passwords. But here, no username is required, so it will not show like that. After that, the information we got from page source, like it is HTTP post form. I'm going to simply type out. You can also copy it down and paste here. HTTP post form, then login, login, uh, forget it, forward slash login.php. After that, pin, then is just a second. A pin is equal to, okay, here try to pass, and we have access denied. We have to specify it. After that, port number. And so you can check the command once, Hydra hyphen L. So we have left it blank. Then the password for list, that is ethicalumpad.txt, which we uh, create using crunch command or a crunch tool. Then hyphen F, then hyphen V, HTTP post form, then login.php, and after that, pin and access denied, then port number. Okay. Now we will hit enter. Okay. As it is written here that it will took around 3 minutes. So we will wait for 3 minutes. As we can see, using dash v hyphen v, that is verbose mode, it is showing that page redirected to error.php. So here we can see we successfully got our password for HTTP post form, that is host 10.10.145.85. So let's check it out. So 6 F and 5. Let's hit continue. Here we can see we got control here. So here it is asking for the AC temperature, test backup power, unlock door. So we will go for unlock door. We can do the things here, but our flag, it is here. THM pin code brute force. We will copy it down and we will paste it here. Then hit submit. Yeah, our answer is correct. And uh, with that, our today's task is completed. So meet you with the next task, hopefully tomorrow. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon. Bye.